They say first impressions are the most long-lasting, and that applies to package designs. Whether we like to admit it or not, we tend to judge a book by its cover. A beautifully packaged and designed perfume bottle or box will entice or attract enthusiasts to want to take a whiff of it. Package design, much like its other design counterparts, involves planning, designing a form, structure, and appearance of a product's package. You must first familiarize yourself with design principles, psychology and use of color, and typography. Second, you need to know your audience as well as competitors. Understanding the direct consumers of your client's products will guide you towards a direction that will make that product stand out and be unique in its own form. Finally, work with an experienced printer. Some printers specialize in package design printing, and it will do you well to involve them from the beginning of the design process. Working with a printer who has at least some level of experience will ensure your hard work leads to a rewarding outcome.